Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. Today we are going to learn about page orientation. Also, how to select different size of pages and what is page margin. So first, let's talk about what is page orientation. Page orientation is how you want to hold the page or how you want to display the page. There are mainly two types of page orientation. Those are portrait and landscape. Whenever we start Word, the default page orientation is portrait. To change the page orientation, click on the Layout tab. Then go to Orientation option. Here you can select either portrait or landscape. As we have now in portrait mode, let's select landscape mode. So you can see the difference. Let's zoom out it to see the whole page at once. You can see the whole page. Okay. Now change the layout to portrait. You can see how the pages look like now, and this is landscape mode. Okay. Now let's check about how to select the different size of page. As of now, the size of the page is A4. To change the size of the page, you have to go to Layout option. This is the page layout where you have to go. Then in the page setup menu, select the size. From here, there are different size already available, like letter. The default size of letter is 21.59 cm and 27.94 cm. Okay. The other options are tabloid, legal, statement, executive, A3, A5, B4, B5 and more options are there. Click on more and you will get more options. Okay. You can also select custom page. As you required, you have to change the width and height of the page and then click on OK. So to change the page size, click on the size option and select the desired page size you want. It also helps you to determine how the output will be look like when you take a printout using a printer. So till now we learned that there are two types of page orientation. Those are portrait and landscape. For changing the layout of the page orientation, we have to go to Layout tab, then click on the Orientation option and select the desired option like portrait or landscape. Okay, the next one, the page size. For changing the page size, we have to go to Layout option, then click on the Size option. From here, select the desired page size. Generally, we are using A4 for our printing. So you can select default as A4. You can also change the different page size. Also remember one thing, that A5 is smaller than A4 and A3 is larger than A4. So by this you understand that A2 is also larger than A3. Next, let's talk about page margin. What is page margin? You can see this document. Okay, look at the document. Here, this white space on the left side, or the white space on the top, or the white space on the right side are called margin. In other words, we can say the white space from the edge of the page to the text area is called margin. We can set the page margin by going to Layout tab, then select the margin option. Here some of the predefined margin are already there. Okay, As of now I am selecting the normal margin where the top white space is 2.54 centimeter, the left white space is 2.54 centimeter, the bottom and right all are 2.54 centimeter. This white space you can change it to different, like this is narrow. When I click on this narrow, just look at how the page margin change. Let's make it change to another one, moderate, where top and bottom are more and left and right are 1.91 centimeter. Top and bottom of the page, you can see this one, and left and right. Okay, let's select another one, white. So the top and bottom will be 2.54 centimeter and the left and right will be 5.08 centimeter. You can see the difference. This is the top and the bottom margin, and this is the left margin, and this part is the right margin. So in a page there are 4 types of margin. Those are top, bottom, left and right margin. We use margin or we set margin in a page to adjust more words or letter in a page, or even to look the page better. And to change the margin, first we have to go to layout option, then click on the margin option and select here the desired margin. Let's change it to default, normal. Okay, you can also define your own margin by click on the margin option, then custom margin. From here you have to change the top margin, left, bottom and right. I am just changing here 2.54 to 3 centimeter, bottom 3 centimeter, left 2 centimeter and right 2 centimeter, and then click on OK. So you can see the change in margin. So let's revise it again. To change the page margin, we have to click on the layout option, then go to margin option within the page setup. Then we can select the desired margin from the given, or we can also select custom margin by click on the custom margin and put the values here. We will discuss more about Microsoft Word in our next classes. So that's all for the day. Stay safe. Have a nice day.